Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, maths tutor. Our question is, if the perimeter of a square plot is 6 by 14 meter, then find the length of each side. Firstly, we know that the perimeter of a square is given by 4a, where a is the length of each side. Okay. Now, perimeter of a square is given by 6 by 14 meters equals to 4a. Now, divide both the sides by 4, we get 6 by 14 into 4 equals to a. So, a will be 6 by 14 into 4 means 6 by 56. Now, divide numerator and denominator by 2, we get 3 by 28 meters. Hence, length of each side of a square is 3 by 28 meters. So our correct option is option B, which is 3 by 28 meters.